And we're joined right now by New York City leader with deep roots in Harlem, former Governor David Paterson. Governor, good to have you with us, and I'm sure your thoughts are deep and long right now about Reverend Butts. And when people talk about his work with housing and education and faith, well, what comes to mind?
What comes to mind, Maurice and Christine, is that in the 70s and 80s, there were a number of high-profile shootings in which police were accused of using excessive force. So names like Clifford Glover, Randolph Evans, Arthur Miller, Michael Stewart, and Eleanor Bumpers, among some who were damaged that way. But around that time, a young minister now serving at Abyssinian Baptist Church, Calvin Butts, was one who could speak for those who didn't have a voice and help to quell the anger and frustration in the Black and brown communities over these incidents. He goes on to become the president of Old Westbury College, appointed by Governor Pataki, who he learned to work with, and had the Abyssinian Development Corporation. He was the founder, where he also worked with Mayor Giuliani. So this was a man who really put his strength and his vision into a situation based on how he could get results. Sometimes it was fighting the system, sometimes it was working with the system. I'm 5 years younger than him. I can't believe we've lost him at this time.
You know, you talked a little bit about how he leveraged, his relationships and used political influence to lift the community that surrounds us. Can you give us any specifics, anything that stands out to you?
Well, I think certainly there was an issue about housing, and Reverend Butts was the one that pointed out and did the research that New York's housing patterns were more segregated than 48 of the 50 states at that time. When he told that to me before he said it in a press conference, I thought I was going to fall off my chair. I didn't know it was that bad.
Well, Governor Paterson, thank you so much for your thoughts and your insight tonight and your remembrances regarding Calvin Butts, Reverend Butts. Thanks so much. We appreciate it.
I'd like to thank all of you for giving it this extended coverage.
Thank you. And out of respect and memory of Reverend Butts, Mayor Adams is ordering all flags on all city buildings to be lowered to half staff beginning at sunrise tomorrow. And we have much more for you on the life of Reverend Butts on our website, including a look back at his legacy and more reaction from his congregation and political leaders. It's all there at cbsnewyork.com.